KHOU 11 News starts now.
A mosque in northwest Harris County is opening its doors in an effort to change perception. Our Melissa Correa has more from Bear Creek.
Gate open, food so hot it fogs our camera. And around dozens of tables, neighbors get to know their neighbors.
90% of our fellow Americans, they have never been to a mosque. There are so many fear of the unknowns when it comes to people of different cultures, nationalities, and especially religions.
Muslims like Sabeel Ahmed aim to dissolve fear
for better humanity
into friendship.
Islam is about justice and peace.
And that's what we want to share.
Mom Jen learned about today's open house on Facebook. She and her girls found connections between their Lutheran faith and Islamic teachings.
So it's important for us to know our neighbors and know people who experience the world, the same world that we live in, but in different ways.
About 300 Muslims live in the Houston area, and about 3 years ago, they began hosting Open Mosque Day in an effort to tackle what they say is rising Islamophobia.
Billboards on the highways. We have radio ads, newspaper ads, television ads.
About 100 visitors walked away with new info and maybe some with a temporary tattoo.
If they come with any negative perception, if they come close to neutral or positive, I feel and we feel as Muslims that we have accomplished what we wanted to accomplish.
Standing for Houston, Melissa Correa, KHOU 11 News.